Hey everybody, it's Brianna here with this week's word of the week. The word of the week is have. 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 Let's look at our picture. This person is holding a red box. They have a red box. I'm feeling hungry. Can I have a smoothie? Yes, I have a smoothie. I'm also feeling a little bit cold. Can I have a sweater? Yes, I have a sweater. I want a color. Can I have a marker? Yes, I have a marker. The word of the week is have. Have. Make sure you check out our PDF for the word of the week so that you can work different activities into your week to work on the word have. I hope that you have a great week. Bye, everybody.